Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a courier delivery website. Okay, first of all, uh, what you have to do, you get your domain and your host. Uh, but for me, I already got my host and my domain already. So this domain, I will be this host, I will be uh, installing this courier script on the subdomain. So first of all, we create our subdomain. Okay, create a new domain. Then we just name this quick send. Quick send. Okay. Okay. Since it's a subdomain, we put Cyberlux digitals. Sorry, digitals.com. Okay. Submit. Created successfully. Okay, so document root. So the next step is we upload our courier script. This script you can get it from me. You just have to call my phone number or send me a text message on WhatsApp to get this sweet courier script. Okay. I think this is my script. I'll just upload. Okay, that's uploaded. Then you extract. You can right click to click extract, or you just click extract here. Now is you are extracting. Okay, we've extracted. So the next step, okay, let us check our website. Let us see if it's working. Oh wow, it's working. You can see very sweet courier company. You can see. So you see it's unable to handle this request. Why? Because it's not connected to our database. So what we have to do is we go to our menu and go to my SQL database wizard to configure our database. So you create a database, and I will name this courier. Click next. Right again, courier as a user, then internet 1000. Okay, that's my database password. So you click which user and you grant the user full administrative privilege. So copy this database name and go to tools, then you're back to file manager. So you enter and go to config. This is where you set your database. Okay, so database of PHP config. Then here is where the settings is located. Then we edit. You see, here we change. It is the password is internet 1000. Okay, then we save. So now we check this page again and reload. See, but there's not any database. So now we are going to upload the SQL file on phpMadmin. So we are the cPanel menu and we'll find the phpMadmin, which is here. Because it's here, phpMadmin. database was created, then you import the MySQL database. Okay, when you buy this script from me, is a courier script, everything comes along with it, you know. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, we extract so that we can find the database, because it's hidden the config inside the so config db, you can see, you click, then we import. So you just created the website, then you go back to the website and try and reload. Oh, as you can see, it's not loading by HTTPS, so we'll load this page by HTTPS. Oh, this certificate is not active yet, so we'll do that later. Then now, since this page is done, so we put a random tracking number and a click track. So no track record found, because the tracking number is not in the database. So for this, we are going to access the admin panel. So the admin panel, okay, it's admin.com, then password is admin123. I think I'm getting it wrong. Okay, go to admin. Oh, we change this here to our own admin. It's coming. Okay, then now we post again. Admin 3. Okay, we're in. See? So when you get here, you go to settings. Oh, the PHP version is I have to decrease the PHP version so that. Well, let us try tracking code to see if that is working. Sorry, tracking code. Send Cyberlux. Track. Then paste. So you see, very easy. Other you create a delivery company. So if you want a full tutorial to create this, kindly DM me, and if you need a website like this, I create. So that's how you create a delivery company in less than 15 to 20 minutes.